Right, Middlesbrough versus Bournemouth. I have to say, both of these teams come from 0-0 draws over the weekend.
Right.
I have to say, three of four of their last head-to-heads have been in a draw. I think this says to me a draw, and I hardly ever bet the draw.
Oh no!
0.14.
I've got a draw as well, and now you've given me all these stats. I'm getting fan me down that. I don't know. I'm going for the draw as well, but I'm a bit worried of all these stats. No, I always say the trend is not your friend, but I can't see much more than the draw here. I think both sides will be happy with a draw. They'll be both content with a point, and that's pretty much it, really. I haven't really got much more to add to that.
Yeah. And Middlesbrough winless
You're
at
on
home.
the draw now, did you say?
I am. I'm on the draw. I'm all over the draw, actually.
What do you reckon the score will be? If you had to say it, could it be 0-0? Could we see a 0-0 game? A goalless draw?
I would definitely go for the under 2.5 goals.
Yeah.
It's either going to be 0-0 or 1-1.
I'm leaning now. It's not an official pick, but I'm leaning as we're talking under 2.5, haven't it?
Yeah, I would do too.
I mean, if the side does get a win, I think it'd be by 1 goal, wouldn't it? It'd be like a 1-0. But I think, I really believe that's a draw. Great value. I love it.
Yeah. All right.
So we're giving you picks every day, and you're probably making your own as well. Be sure to participate in SBR's weekly Twitter bankroll challenge. Just post your picks on Twitter with @SBRSportsPicks and the hashtag BetSBR before 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every day, Monday through Friday. We'll be betting your picks, and if the bankroll is positive at the end of the week, you could win the profits. Picks must be of events taking place that day and available in at least one of the major sportsbooks shown in our Best Sportsbooks page.